All right, everyone. We are going to take a quick look at Jasmy here. So my Jasmy chart completely disappeared. I don't know what happened to it. So we've been looking on the 3-day chart here from the low to the high, looking at these higher highs on Jasmy. Of course, from the last couple of updates, it did get over the 006 to 0071 price area. There is a wick forming here, and we have been watching the higher highs and watching the lower highs on the stock RSI, the money flow, and the regular RSI. So there is a chance off of that bearish divergence that could signal the price of Jasmy is going to come back down to some retracement level. So it is still below the macro 236, which is not on the chart anymore. It is at 0087. So once you break the high here at 83, 87 is your next target. And then after that, the penny and a half mark at 1017, I believe it is the next macro 382 price level here. So like I said, it remains to be seen. We are still making these lower highs here. So if Jasmy decides to repeat history here off of a lower high over the 786, so you can see that from this high back here to the low, it is over the 786, sitting on it perfectly here at 0066. So that is a huge step in the right direction. Don't get me wrong, but we're still waiting for this high back here to be broken at May of this year, and then potentially breaking through the 83 level from this high from February of this year, and then we'll just kind of take it from there. But that next big target would be the 008 mark. That is your macro 236. Let me go ahead and just draw that so you guys know what I'm talking about if you have not watched the channel here before. But if we simply zoom out on the weekly chart here and we draw one large Fibonacci from this high way back here in November of 2021 to the low, you can see the 236 here where we got stuck, a little stuck here, a little lower high, another lower high here below that 87 level here. So that's your big price to beat. And then once we break through that, you can see we do have the 17 level up here at the 382. So until we get over that 382, Jasmy's not going anywhere as of yet. Once you get over that macro 382, then you know you are bullish on Jasmy. But as of now, right now we're getting stuck at and right on that 786. So like I always say, it remains to be seen. It can continue going, of course. We will all love that. And if it pulls back a little bit and we get a retracement, so be it. If it pulls back off of the bearish divergence and we get a discount, we'll take that too. So looking from the low there to the high, you can see that as long as Jasmy stays over 0066, it is extremely bullish over this 786 here. You are still considered extremely bullish over the 236 here at 5.9, pretty much 6. So Jasmy over 6 is extremely bullish in my opinion. Could we get a deeper retracement? Of course. You can see the 618 here at 5.5, and then the 382 from that low to that high is at 5.1. We mentioned this in the last update that Jasmy over 5, you're still considered bullish. You can see now that we made a higher high here, that target has shifted to 5.1. So anything over 5.1 on Jasmy is bullish. Anything over the 5.9 to 6 area is extremely bullish. Anything over the 6.6 area is extremely mega bullish in my opinion. So it remains to be seen. If we want to keep going here, of course we all have been waiting a very long time for Jasmy to do something and go up. So if we continue going and we stay above the 786 here, so be it. The next target here, which you are bullish right now, is going to be the 0083 for about a 19% move. And then if you get over that, then I would say she is gunning for that macro 236 at 87 on Jasmy here. So that's what we got on Jasmy for now. We're just kind of taking it day to day to see what happens. Right now, she is extremely bullish. Like I said before, all of that bullish, bearish momentum, or bearish divergence rather, on all these indicators do not have to play out just due to the fact that we're in this bull market now. They may not ever come into play. It may just signal that, there's a slight pullback on Jasmy, down to, whatever level it is going to be. So hopefully that made sense. Hopefully that helped. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.